Yo guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to create this easy rounded corners effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm going to go to our bottom left, go to new, and we're going to add our adjustment layer right here. Then we're going to go ahead and add our motion tile effect. Go to our motion tile, and we're going to put our output width right here on 70. Then we're going to go ahead and add the effect called roughen edges. It's going to be under stylized, drag and roughen edges, put a edge type on cut, and we're going to bring down our fractal influence right here all the way down to 0, and bring up our sharpness to around 10 right here. Then we're just going to crank up our border all the way up until we get our desired rounded corners effect right here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's quick tutorial. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. You guys don't have to, but it does help support me and helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on working hard and keep on staying creative. Peace out.